Good day. Let's walk through how to tackle your math drills together. Start by setting up your math drills Katleya. First things first, write down the math drills number and today's date at the top of your Katleya notebook. Make sure you follow the format so everything stays neat and organized. For focused discussion, watch the video that goes along with our lesson. After watching, answer the focus item in your math drills Katleya. When you're done, watch the correction video to check your answers. If you need to make changes, go ahead and write any corrections in the space provided. For uplift discussion, grab a partner and work together to answer the uplift item. Be sure to write your partner's name and their answers in your Katleya. Compare both of your answers, and if something doesn't match up, make any necessary revisions in the space provided. Once you're happy with your answer, double check them with the answer key. Lastly, for nurture discussion, answer the nurture item on your own. When you're done, check your answer using the key to correction. And of course, don't forget to note down any corrections in your Katleya. After the fun discussion, update your materials tracker with your result. Take a look of your fun score from the Google form. That would be all, and good luck.